Hey everyone, how is it going? This is Noor Siddiq and you are watching Code Lovers. Something I wanted to introduce called list. Just imagine you are going to prepare a salad and you would like to add a list of fruits in your recipe list. So maybe my title is fruit salad and I'm gonna make title first. Uh, we can use h3 tag, salad, actually fruit salad, and I might require some fruits like apple, banana, orange, and watermelon. Okay, so these are the list of fruits by which I am going to prepare my fruit salad, and I wanted to show this thing here in a list manner. What I need to do, the first list I wanted to introduce you the unordered list UL. This is UL indicates unordered list, and inside this list I'm gonna prepare a list of fruits. This is for apple and another list for banana, then orange, and finally watermelon. Alright, let's save this and reload the page. Did you see that? My recipe is fruit salad and this is a title of the recipe and list of fruits I may require to prepare that salad. And here I have written unordered list, start tag and end tag. Inside the unordered list, I just place the list of items, list of fruits. List, the apple is a list item, banana, orange, all of these things are list of items, and each item is sandwiched between li open tag and closing tag, li start tag and end tag. That's how we can prepare a unordered list. Now if I need to prepare this list of items in a ordered manner, like type where OL and closing OL, let's go ahead and reload this. The list of items become numbers. So ordered list prepares the list of items in an ordered manner, in number manner, and unordered list prepares the list of items in unordered manner without numbers like bullet points. If we search here HTML list, you will see the first instruction popped up is from W3 school. So developers job is to Google if we forget anything or if we do not know anything. Always you can Google it and get help from different sources. As you can see here, this is a unordered list, and inside the uh, UL list of items. Also, like if you do not want this list of items in a circular manner, you might want to see in a disk manner. There is an attribute called style, and I will show you in the next video. Of course, I will give you a glimpse of CSS cascading style sheet. I mean, styling in HTML element. Though this is not our main concern, but I will give you a glimpse of styling in the next session. So as you can see here, style list style type disk, and it's gonna prepare the items in a disk manner. Also, if you want square list items, just check this out. This will provide you the square list items. Just go ahead and check this out. You will see there are other like type 1, type A, type I. This item will be numbered with uppercase Roman, and type small I. All of the list items will be in lowercase Roman numbers. Yeah, that's pretty much it for list. I wanted to introduce another tag called span. Like here, we have prepared our fruit salad, and here is the title. We have prepared our green salad, and what if I want to make this word green actually green color? Then I will add a span tag, span start and end tag, paste here, save and reload. We didn't notice any changes here, although the span tag is available. So what is the functionality of this span tag? The span tag is used to group inline elements in a document. It has no visual effect. The span tag provides a way to hook a part of a text or a part of a document. So this span tag created a hook between these two words, also between these two words, and sometimes it is used to color part of a text. If we add here style, color is green, and the green text is gonna be green color. Did you see that? This is literally green. So the span tag has the functionality to hook to a part of a text or to hook a part of a document when we need to color, or there are some other functionality in the backend. So whenever we need to change color of a particular text within a sentence, we use span tag. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, feel free to share with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.